Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into EPF Portal as an employee. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in epfindia.gov.in. After you come across this official page, click on the Services option. Then tap on For Employees option. Here you can select the option of your liking from Services. Then you'll come across this login portal. Here you'll have to enter your universal account number associated with your account and a valid password. Then enter your CAPTCHA available on your screen. If you do not remember your password, then you can click on Forgot Password link. Finally, after entering your details, click on Sign In button to proceed. And that is how you can log into EPF Portal as an employee. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.